Hi everyone, my name is Kavya. I'm a year 1 mathematical science student. So as for my project, right, I wanted to solve a problem I previously faced when I entered uni. Okay, you see, before entering uni, there's a lot of loans out there, and as a student who's going into uni, there was a lot of information and I had no idea what kind of loan I wanted to take to pay for my uni fees. So I created this website which helps pre-university students to choose what kind of loan they want. First of all, everyone comes from a different background. So let's press the Find My Plan button, and you see there's a lot of options to choose from. Everyone has a different citizenship, their household income is different, and how much they need to pay for a year is also different. So what my website does is that you can choose all the specifics you want. And this is like, this is how much we need to pay for our uni for a year lah. So after you press See My Plan, my website would first show you the recommended path, which is you have to take the tuition grant. And then it gives you the best suitable plan for you. It will customize, it will look at all your information, and then it will choose the best loan for the specific student. Okay, as for my AI agent, it's on the front page. It basically navigates how to use this website. So other than just choosing the loan pre-university students have to take, I wanted to help the students to be more financially literate because there's a lot of things here. So when I click the Learn page, it brings me to a new page. And there are a lot of lessons here. So there's how to make a budget, emergency savings, how to invest, where to put your cash, and a lot of things. So in each little bubble you see here, when you press it open, it gives you a short introduction to that lesson, and it tells you the lesson here. It has all the key terms, and if you scroll below, there's a Singapore example for it, and there are also common mistakes to avoid. And as you go even down, there's a quick check, and the quick check actually works. Let's say, what's the first step in making a budget? Oh, I think it's to open an investment account. And let's say I choose all this, and I check my answers. It tells me if I'm right or wrong. And in this lesson, there's also an AI mentor, which will help me to answer all my questions. So this AI mentor, right, each lesson has its own specific AI mentor. So this lesson is specifically focused on making a budget. So let's say I ask, what's a budget for a uni student? It will give me a proper answer. But let's say I ask something about CPF. Sorry. It will only answer questions about making a budget. So this AI agent's context is specifically designed to only answer questions about this lesson. And as for the other lessons, each AI agent is also the same. So it has a focused context, and it will only answer questions based on that context. So yeah, that's basically how my website works.
Fantastic. Let's give her a round of applause. I think you've built something that's extremely helpful, and it's coming from a place of pain because I can relate to this. What is your vision for the product going forward? Is it something that you foresee yourself helping to share with other students and guide them?
So I want to create a website which I can share with my juniors who are currently trying to find, because this next academic year is where a lot of students join uni, so they would probably say facing the same issue I previously faced. So I think this website can be shared with my juniors and they can find a specific loan for them.
Fantastic. And tell me the journey that led up to this point. Had you ever coded before? Had you ever built an AI agent before?
Nope. I know coding, but I've never done something like this before.
Okay, and tell me about your journey. What was what was the wow moment for you over the last 3 days?
Okay, from day one, after I chose what kind of problem I wanted to solve, we first researched on it. And from researching, right, I didn't want to take all the information out there from the internet because there's a lot of information. So first, I created a second brain using the Claude cohort, which narrowed down the information I want, and all those information are from reputable sources and government websites. So after creating this second brain, we then did a dashboard which kind of visualized. It gave me a proper visualization on what I want. After creating the dashboard, that's when I started creating my website. So after creating my website and I asked the AI agent for suggestions, it gave me actual proper suggestions that even I didn't think of. And the end product really surprised me because it's exactly what I wanted. And when I was discovering each lesson, I was really surprised because it would have been really helpful for me when I was before I entered uni. Yeah, so that's like my wow moment.
If you can give one piece of advice to anyone who's using AI, what would you recommend they do not do?
Okay. Something I would recommend for them not to do is giving them prompting wrongly. I want them to give very, very specific prompts, specify all the 5 W's and H so that the AI can give specific answers specifically for the prompt.
Fantastic. Good. Thank you very much.